dove sei?
In Anna Capri!
We're at the train station, waiting for our train to Capri, but it's delayed by 5 minutes.
These other guys getting platforms, not us.
There's Richard.
We have our tickets. Holy shit.
We thought driving in Rome was crazy. This shit is next level.
Okay.
Johnny, are you from Naples?
Yeah.
You live in Naples? We'll just drive around in their Vespas on the sidewalk.
Yeah, look on the sidewalk.
Johnny's the best.
Come on, tutto quanto.
Direzione Capri si effettua dagli Airbnb. Grazie. Attention please. Passengers are informed that the two fast ferry service to Capri.
We're in the cab, Anna? Yeah. Hi. We might lose our luggage. Yeah, that luggage is barely strapped in. She says it's good though, so yeah.
I did. Italy had like a Caribbean island in it.
We just arrived in Capri at our Airbnb and we're going to give you a tour.
This is what our view. Get out.
How foggy is this?
Anna.
Hi. This is our porch.
I'm his boyfriend.
What up? Oh. You go inside.
I can go inside too.
Okay.
End up on the vlog now, Michael. What are you gonna do?
So we got like a little living room here. I guess it's a dining room table, a TV. This place also came with Wi-Fi. Come over here. We got a kitchen. Got everything. They actually supplied us with like some snacks. She said this is all for us.
What I did.
She also gave us
Some
juice, water with wine. It's really nice of her.
It's very clean because the floors are like immaculate.
Yeah.
So this is one of the bathrooms.
Is it kind of comfy?
Don't know, I didn't line it.
I think it's a couch bed.
Oh,
Or
weird.
is it the same?
So this is one of the bedrooms. It has a door to the balcony.
Oh.
And then this is the other bedroom. And the other bathroom. It's pretty nice.
Watch like sheets here and shit.
The boat we were on. I'm being filmed now, yes?
Yes.
Okay, cool. The boat we were on. It was not so much a trip, so much as a story we'll tell to our children. The thing shook like you shouldn't do to babies. And it was less of a social event and more of a constitution check not to vomit. For example, about halfway through the trip, Anna made a new friend when a girl jumped out of her seat to sit next to her. And she sat there, wordless, just staring in front of her.
Breathing. She kept breathing.
Yeah, she was just like,
Deeply.
so either she's going to labor and she was really skinny, so that would be a tiny ass baby. She's put out a hamster maybe. I don't know. But after a couple seconds, not realizing where the toilets were, she decided to do the old man stand.
And then she starts horking So Dominique flew.
Oh yeah.
I was sitting
Hold on.
across
Bring it back to me.
from her.
Bring it back to me.
I was sitting across from her.
Okay, no, okay, fine. So, Dominic, you need to do a little motion track for this shot. So I'm here, that chair is there. This is what Dominique did. She like flew away, all the way over here, and was like, oh no, do not vomit on me. Do not do that.
Disgusting.
The puke bags, and she ends up puking on the ground. Mind you, we're all nauseous to begin with because of the trip.
So I jumped and landed in a booth because the boat's
A booth 2 seats over. Like you flung yourself.
and the people sitting in that booth begin to vomit.
Yeah, so the lady there and the girl there was like sharing a bag of blah.
At the end of the day, if you're going to Capri,
Sit in the back of the boat.
a lot of people to throw up on the, what's it called? The ferry.
Try not to breathe in
At the back of the boat.
Sit at the back.
First full day in Capri today. We had a really good day. We did a boat tour, which took us all around the island of Capri, which is like amazing. We did like all the grottos that they have. We didn't do the blue grotto because it was like a really long wait. We only had 3 hours with the boat, so we didn't want to like waste all of our time. But definitely worth it. We're staying in Anna Capri, and we took the bus to Marina Grande. So there's one that actually goes directly there. This morning. There's Richard. And then you get off the bus and you'll get right into Marina Grande. We got on the boat there. And then when we came back, you take the funicular all the way up to Capri. Like miserable.
We are miserable.
I'm fine.
After our boat tour, we walked through the main city of Capri. We came across a guy, local, who told us about the viewpoint to see Fontana di Mezzo, which is the Arch of Love, I believe. The one that we saw from the boat. So it cost about €1 to get in, and the view is just incredible. Afterwards, we stopped for gelato. Thank you.
That's it.
And made our way back to the Airbnb to get ready for dinner. That night we ended up eating at Barbarossa. It was a pretty good restaurant with an amazing view. It always has a great sunset no matter where you sit in the restaurant, and they have 1 liter of wine for just 10 euros. After dinner, Michael and I decided to go out to Capri to tour around and get some drinks.